Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Easter training event in Grow a Garden. So in this latest Easter final update, there's a new event that called Easter training like this. And in this event, you will be given 3 quests every 8 hours like this. You can see it. You will get the 3 quests like this. And there are solo rewards and also team rewards on here. You can get the team reward if you join or create a team like this. And so what you need to do is just complete the quest, and this quest will be reset every 8 hours. So if you don't like your current quest or already finished them, you can just wait for the reset and get new ones. So make sure you stay active and keep completing quests to earn as many points as possible and unlock all the rewards. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.